Fed up with the tangled cords of your cleaner? And worry about it may strip over your family? Introducing Aiper Seagull 3000, the most powerful wall-climbing smart cordless pool cleaner ever. The 7,800 mAh floating battery supports Seagull 3000 to clean for full 120 minutes, making it an ideal choice for different sizes of pools. With strong suction power, Seagull 3000 can easily clean up sturdy leaves and crushed stones. Featuring the Smart app, you can customize pool cleaning plans that fit your pool. The triple-axis motors enable the cleaner to turn in every direction with ease, and you can control it to clean everywhere you want. The ultra-fine filtration system captures small debris and prevents them from flowing back to the pool. Seagull 3000 can clean drains and climb walls with ease. It also covers every inch of your waterline and saves you from scrubbing it by yourself. Seagull 3000 works well on almost all kinds of surfaces. Just put it into the water and forget about it. Seagull 3000 will bring you a sparkling clean pool in a movie's time. When it is in low battery, Seagull 3000 will automatically come back to the poolside. Its large filter baskets collect all debris. The easy-to-clean basket design is an extra booster of clean efficiency. We are Aiper, the leading brand of the pool cleaning industry for years, trusted by millions of users around the world. After tackling countless technical difficulties, we finally launched Aiper Seagull 3000, a smarter, more powerful pool cleaner, your ultimate pool cleaning solution.